What are Kapha Vriddha Lakshana? How to identify the abnormal increase of Kapha bioenergy or Kapha Dosha in the body? So that is the topic of discussion in this particular video. Dear ANA community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to at least 1 2 Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for right purpose. So the term Kapha Vriddhi Lakshana comprises of three terms. The term Kapha refers to the Kapha bioenergy or Kapha Dosha. Vriddha refers to abnormally increased or abnormally vitiated. Lakshana refers to the linga or clinical features or signs and symptoms. In total, the term Kapha Vriddhi Lakshana refers to the signs and symptoms or clinical features observed in the patient either generally or locally due to the abnormal increase of kapha bioenergy in the body. When we think about the description as far as the kapha dosha is concerned, in general it is being mentioned dosha prakriti vaisheshyam niyatam vriddhi lakshanam. This can be attributable to any of the dosha. So that is this, there may be the possibility of increase of any one, two or more guna that may be observed in the body, which in turn leads to increased function that happens in the body. As we are speaking about kapha dosha, there may be the possibility of increase of snigdhoshito gururmandash lakshtomrasna stiraha kapah. These are the qualities of kapha dosha is being mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. There may be the possibility of increase of either one, two or more or all the guna in the body, so that may take place, which is leading to the abnormal increase in the kapha dosha function in the body. How to identify those lakshana as such? So that is being mentioned there, that is श्लेष्माग्नि सदन प्रसेकालस्य गौरवं श्वैत्य शैत्य शतांगत्वं श्वासकासाति निद्रता. श्लेष्मा अग्निसदन प्रसेक आलस्य गौरवं श्वैत्य शैत्य शतांगत्वं श्वासकास अतिनिद्रता. This is the description told in Ashtanga Hridaya. श्लेष्म वृद्धौ शौक्ल्यं शैत्यं स्थैर्यं गौरवम् अवसादस्तन्द्रा निद्रा सन्धि विश्लेषश्च. Description of Sushruta. श्लेष्म वृद्धौ शौक्ल्यं शैत्यं स्थैर्यं गौरवम् अवसादः तन्द्रा nidra sandhi vishlesha cha. As far as the description is concerned, agni sadana refers to reduced appetite or digestive fire. Praseka refers to the excessive salivation. Alasya, laziness or otherwise lethargy. Gauravam, heaviness of the body or heaviness of the body parts. Shvaitya, whitish discoloration of the body or body parts. Shaityam, the feeling of coldness of the body or body parts. Shlathangatvam, looseness of the body. Shwasa, breathing discomfort. Kasa, cough with the sputum. Adinidrata, excessive sleeping or excessive sleepishness. Sthyrium, that is firmness that happens in the movement of the body or body parts. Avasada, sluggish movement of the body. Tandra, drowsiness. Then Sandhi Vishleshaha, that is friction happens between the joints due to obesity. As far as the description of Ashtanga Sangraha, Sutrasthana, 15th chapter, 19th chapter says, Shvaitya Shaitya Sthaurya Alasya Gaurava Angasada Srodha Pidhana Murcha Tandra Nidra Shwasakasa Praseka Rilla Sagni Sadas Tandi Vishleshadibhi Vishleshma. As far as the description is being mentioned, Shvaitya, that is white discoloration of the body or body parts. Shaitya refers to cold sensation or coldness of the body. Staulya, obesity. Alasya, lethargy. Gaurava, sluggish heaviness of the body, angasadaha, that is sluggish movement of the body as such, srotaha pidhana, that is the obstruction in the srotas, murcha, altered state of consciousness, tandra, that is drowsiness, nidra, sleep, shwasa, breathing discomfort, kasa, cough with sputum, praseka, excessive salivation, thrillasa, that is the nauseating sensation, agnisadaha, that is the poor digestive fire, sandhi vishleshaha, that is friction that happens because of the kapha dosha increase, where we can say because of the obesity we can able to see such kind of the lakshana. As far as the description of individually, when you think about the Agnisadana, we can say or others that can be Agnisada, which can be attributable to poor digestive function. Maybe because of the excessive Adhyashana or the increased quantity of Vishamashana itself, then Viruddhashana, all those aspects that may lead to poor digestive fire. There may be the possibility of increase of either increase ati madhura rasa sevana or amla rasa sevana or lavana rasa sevana, or there may be the possibility of excess consumption of either snigdha, guru ahara, manda ahara, sthira ahara, etc. Whereas due to the increased intake of shita vidya substances, all they may lead to the poor digestive fire. Praseka, excessive salivation, where we are going to say the parasympathetic nerve stimulation may be the cause for this particular type of the clinical presentation. Alasya, which is indicative of the excessive guru guna that may be increased in the body. Kaurava, heaviness of the body parts. Either there may be one or more body parts that may be having the heaviness as such, which can be attributable to the presence of macromolecules in those different areas. Shvaityata, that is whitish discoloration of the body or body parts. Shaitya, feeling of coldness, which is attributable to increase of Shita guna in the body. Shathangatvam, so that is the sluggish movement as such that may happen because of the, what do you say, that the obesity. So here there may be the possibility of the sluggish movement that can happen in different body parts. Shwasa, breathing discomfort. Kasa, cough with excessive sputum. Atinidrata, there may be increased guru guna that or snigdha guna may be increased in this particular situation. Firmness in the movement of the body parts due to the increase of the guru gunatva, heaviness or the guru quality, there may be the movement that can happen with firmness as such. Avasadaha, so that is there may be the exhaustion, either that may be attributable physical as well as mental exhaustion. Drowsiness, sandhi vishleshaha. So here the due to the increased, what do you say, that the obesity, so these there may be the possibility of friction that can happen between the joints. Here this can be attributable to sandhi vishleshaha, obesity, wherein the more amount of the adipose tissues that may be present in the subcutaneous areas, again srotaha pithana, so that is obstruction that may happen in the srotas. Murcha, altered state of consciousness. Thrillasa, that is nauseating sensation. So these are the lakshana that may be observed in cases of the kapha dosha increase in the body. To sum up, abnormal increase of the kapha bioenergy that can be identified by abnormally increased functions. This can be attributable to the increase of either one or more gunas of kapha dosha. It is mentioned Sigdoshito Gururmandash Lakshnomrasna Stiraha Kafaha. Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana, first chapter. Increase of one or more gunas or all the gunas, there may be the possibility of the increase of the kapha dosha in the body. So when there is increased exposure to kapha vitiating factors, that is Guru Madhura Rasat Snigdha Dukthekshu Vaksha Dravadadi Dinanidra Bhupa Sarpishprapuraihi Tuhina Patana Kale Shleshmana Samprakopa Prabhavati Divasadau Bhukta Matre Vasante. Madhukosha Madhava Nidana, first chapter, 5th shloka. If the person is having exposure to these Nidana, which increases the Kapha bioenergy in the body. So there may be the possibility of Kapha Vriddha Lakshana that can be seen, which may be seen either generally or locally. Dear community members, that's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below. And spread this particular video to at least one true Nidana learner so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. Something more in the next video. Thank you.